So how to buy Fort token on Trust Wallets. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel. Check. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. So to be able to buy this token on Trust Wallet, first of all, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the BNB Smart Chain network. Now open your Trust Wallet for that, as you can see from here. To be able to buy this token on your Trust Wallet, now just scroll down until you find your managed crypto from here. Click on it. Now to be able to buy this token, first of all, click on this plus icon and search for the BNB Smart Chain network from here. Now you can paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. Now after that, click on add token to add it to your wallet to be able to buy this token. Now after that, you can search for your token here, as you can see, until you find it called Fort. Now click on it, and here you can now just click on swap from here, as you can see. Now they will redirect you to this page. Now make sure to have to switch it from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy. For example, I will use the USDT for that, as you can see. Now after that, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. So here, as you can see, now here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, click on swap and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Fort token on Trust Wallets. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.